All right, so you guys, I didn't vlog while making the egg rolls, but I am getting them fried together. So let's just watch them fry. Tell me what you think of my egg roll that's cooking. So I normally like show y'all what I'm doing, but this time I decided not to, because it was the last minute, and then I just thought about it like, dang, you didn't even vlog making these egg rolls. But y'all know how to. Now I used a different egg roll, so I'm going to let these cook a little bit. So this one is trying to like come apart, so I'm trying to keep it intact. So I gotta try to figure out how to, there you go, flip it so it can cook. So my kids want a hamburger, which we had spaghetti. Today is Monday, it's not Taco Tuesday. But however, they had tacos and plus egg rolls. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna let that cook and I'll be back. Back with a commercial break. Look, honey. Come on, your book bag. So these are pretty much ready. When they are completely brown, you guys, they ready. So I took a commercial break, but these are ready. These are completely ready. Get ready to put them in something. All right, you guys, I'm about to turn the camera on so y'all can see how to get them out. I don't know if I burned that one, but if so, then, oh well, let me turn it down. They're cooking nice quick and what I want it to cook. And you don't want it to really be this brown, but the heck, this is different for me. This is just the first batch. Sometimes I do good with the first batch and sometimes I don't, but shoot, the kids never seem to complain, so I don't worry about it. And like my grease is perfectly hot for my second bunch, because I let the grease kind of like do its thing. So yeah, now I'm gonna cook it. Let's see this. Tell me what y'all thinking. I mean, like, what can I do different, or how y'all cook y'all egg roll? So yeah, Tiaja did this. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Okay. You're still going to school tomorrow. I don't care if you don't feel good. You didn't go to school today. This is some TikTok. Don't ask me. I don't know what this girl be watching TikTok. Now, the only thing I hate is when it come loose. Like, how you can't just cook regular. I try to put it together. Alright? So yeah, there you have it. Now I kind of turned my grease down because I wanted to cook and not burn. There you go. Now I'm just going to let it cook a little higher. And y'all can tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna just leave it alone so that it can do its thing, because I kind of just turned the dang thing down. But yeah, don't forget to comment below, turn on that post notification so you will know when I'm back on cooking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all my subscribers that's on my channel. I can't do it without you. I'm nothing without you. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah. Not ready. And right now I'm just gonna let that cook, and I'm gonna let y'all watch that cook, and I'll be back for a break. Back with a commercial break.